Hello, this is George here, and we're going to do a review of Next Generation Affiliate version 3. We're going to look at what it's all about. We're going to go over some bonuses and give you a look inside. And more importantly, we want to know what is it? We want to know what do you have to do, or if you use it, what is all that about? And the third thing is if you do use it, if you do get it, you do use it, then will it work? Will it help you make some more money? Because that's why we're all here, is because we all want to make some more money. So anyways, if you're watching this on YouTube, there is a link down below which goes to the bonus section, which is actually where I'm at right now, because I've got a really cool video here of this affiliate commissions and so forth. Now, I want to kind of go over a little bit of my take on this affiliate program here. We've all, as an affiliate marketer, I'm going to assume you're an affiliate marketer, at least you know what it is. Everybody is selling the same thing to the same people over and over and over and over. And a lot of us have shiny object syndrome because we can't make it, so we buy something new, and then it happens again and again and again. We continue to repurchase and repurchase stuff because we just can't figure it all out. Now, this guy here who made this, he's claimed that he's figured it out. 9 years ago when he started, he had a good business going, and then what had happened is everyone else got involved. Everyone changed the algorithms, prices went up, products went downhill, all that stuff happened, and his commissions went away. And he had to sit back and he had to figure out, well, what happened? And so we stepped back to figure out and relook at what is affiliate marketing all about and how do we get it done today in 2020 or in 2021. And that's what this version 3 is all about. Now, no matter what happens with any of these affiliate marketing programs, the basic is you've got a funnel. People come into the funnel. You need to drive traffic into the funnel. And from there, you promote offers. You send emails out, you educate, you give content, you do all these fantastic things. It's kind of like rubbing the bottle and rubbing their tummy, and the genie comes out, they put their money up, and then you get a sale. That's how it's supposed to work. But there's a lot of things in between. A lot of us have made it complicated, including myself. Hey, I'm guilty of that too. I'm part of the 95 or 97 percenters that make things complicated. But what these guys do here, Matt and Rex, I believe, is they start from the basics, and this course is going to give you a plethora of all the things step by step so you can get rid of all the bad habits and bring in all the new stuff that you're going to need for a clear, fresh mind so you can do this right. So I put some bonuses here together. Now, why am I going over these bonuses? Because when you get this affiliate marketing right, you're going to need to do a number of things. First of all, you need traffic. You need to send people the traffic. You need to send them an offer. These offers need to be either in video form or they need to be in written form. You need to do that. And then you need the sales copy and all of the benefits and the stories so that you can get a happy paying customer. So the first bonus here at $427.95 is goodwill. All right, this is how you grow your list. That's how that is, because you're going to finally get the answers to the affiliate marketing. You're going to get the 7-figure answers. And then what are you going to do with it? You're going to put it out to your list. This goodwill is going to help you with the list. The second one here is email marketing course. Again, all the guys know the money's in the list. For every dollar, every person you have on your list, that's about $1 a month you can harvest from them. Bonus number 3, valued at $344.95, is 2,000 different copy and paste emails. Again, you got to get the list and then market to them. Bonus number 4 is the 7-minute sales machine. That's exactly what that is. bonus number X. Now, I just threw this in there at the last minute because I want you to have this free book from Russell Brunson, your Traffic Secrets. It's the Underground Playbook. And really, I put priceless on there because Russell Brunson has been doing this forever since he was a little kid, and he gives all the traffic secrets. And you're going to need traffic. You need traffic in order to see your offers, join your list, email them, and butter them all up. And then, of course, you're going to get all the bonuses from the vendor. This is delivered from Warrior Plus right here, and you access your bonus. When you log in to get your product, you click down here and you will get your bonuses. Now, let's go over what they say this is all about. This was taken from their sales page and all the back end stuff. NGA, which is Next Generation Affiliate, that's what NGA stands for. It's a fully complete affiliate system based on what other successful marketers are currently doing. Provides basis to build long-term automated business, of course, based around using YouTube channel and Facebook page for traffic going and all that stuff. Aweber, there's a free account, I guess, on there usually. It's a free for 14 days, and you have to start paying for it. A full explanation. These guys have put a lot of work into explaining this. So this really isn't a software. It is more of a how-to, hands-on from guys who've been doing it for 9+ years, combined, I'm sure, a whole lot more, who were doing well, and then they fell off, and then they had to bring it back up, and they started from ground zero, and they're telling you about their journey, okay? The price is here. It's going to start at $12. There's an Easy Pro sales funnel over here for $27, another Gold Digger for $27, and so there's a bunch of upsells here, and those are going to be available. This is their home page here for their sales page, and again, there's a video right on the front there, and I've stopped it at 137 because this is a good, it's a good picture. If you decide to pick this up, if you do like this, in the YouTube video, click down below. There is a bonus page where you can get the product, and just click on one of these purple things here. You can get the program, the software. You're going to be paying these prices. It's all the prices that there are. I'm not marking that up at all, but I'm going to give you all of these bonuses. All right, all these bonuses you're going to get. So going back and looking at the sales page, it's just a bunch of, you know, this and that, and you can go through this. I'm not gonna spend a lot of time here, but you know, here the products, the follow-up list, traffic, autoresponder, you know, they went back on this. Now, this is the inside of, if you get it, this is what it looks like on the inside, okay? And there's a whole bunch of modules here that you can see. And let's just go take a look at creating content. All right. And let's see what happens here. Now you're going to see some PDFs come up. All right. That's what most of this is here. Create compelling content. What content to create, examples, how to repurpose, the best blog content, best YouTube content, and best Facebook page content. And over here you can see blog content, YouTube, and Facebook. And these are just a bunch of PDFs, okay? And bam, this is what you get, you know, and you can, it's a bunch of information, and et cetera, et cetera. So this is pretty decent. There's an overkill if you're the information type that loves information. This is right up your alley because there is plenty of information, but you need to be able to think about how you want to go forward after you get this. Don't be somebody who is an information junkie. They buy something and then they review it for a little bit. Then once the work starts, oh, I can't do any work. Don't be that way. If you're going to get this, click the link below. Get onto my bonus page right here. All right? Get on the bonus page. Click on one of these purple links right over here. Get the product and use it. Put it to use. Go do something. You're going to be helping out a lot of other people teaching how to do affiliate marketing. Now go do that, all right? That's your assignment. My name's George. Go make some money. Bam!